Hello guys, this will be a short introduction to my new YouTube channel. I'll just explain a few stuff about me, who I am, what I'm gonna do with it and stuff. So basically my name is Mads Sanne. I play League of Legends and my name is Akali Mid please. I play on the EU West server and I started this YouTube channel today, this one. I'm about to upload a little quick gameplay slash guide to how to play Akali, but I'm thinking about not really uploading it because it's really bad. My microphone is too close to my mouth, so you can hear me breathe, and it's not gonna work. It's not a good start because I want to be serious. But I don't know. Maybe I'll upload it. Maybe I don't. So, but in the future, you'll probably just see some fun videos from League of Legends, maybe some vlogs or some Ask Me Anything. People are gonna watch this. I'm not gonna do a Ask Me Anything where only my friends is gonna ask me questions, because that's pretty dumb. Um, so yeah, you can go like my Facebook page, just facebook.com/akalimit please. When I hit 50 likes, I'll give out a skin. So yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching.